Hi, I'm Dr. Kiran Kumar Reddy, consultant pulmonologist, KIMS Hospital, Kondapur. Today I'm here to discuss about few precautionary measures to avoid spread of the COVID infection. What we have to do, because now lockdown is going to get some relaxations and we need to go for our daily routine works. So we need to be more careful and we should practice all precautionary measures to avoid spread of infection. So, first and foremost is hand hygiene. We have to frequently wash our hands with soap and water or alcohol based hand rub we should use to clean our hands again and again very frequently. Another thing what we need to practice is physical distancing. At least 1 meter or 3 feet distance minimum we should maintain from others, because whenever people are coughing or sneezing while talking also they will release some small liquid droplets from their nose and mouth that may contaminate and you may get infection from them. So at least 3 feet distance you should maintain. It's better to maintain 6 feet distance, but minimum 3 feet distance we should maintain. Another thing we need to do is we should avoid crowded places at least for few months, because in crowded places we can't maintain physical distance. Some or other people will come near to us. If they cough or sneeze, getting chances of infection rate will be very high. So you should avoid crowded places and you should avoid touching your nose, mouth and eyes, because whenever we are touching some surfaces which are having COVID-19 infection virus, it may get spread into our body and it will cause COVID-19 disease. If you are having symptoms like cough, sneeze or mild fever, it's always better to self-isolate at home, and you should avoid to go close contact with elderly people in your home. It's always advisable to be in one room and maintain physical distance at home also if you are having any symptoms. And another thing we need to do practice is respiratory hygiene. Whenever you are having cough or sneeze, you should use disposable tissue, or at least you should flex your elbow and you should cough or sneeze, and after that you have to wash your hands and you should properly dispose that tissue. It's always better to wear a mask if you are having cough. You should always wash your hands before putting a mask, and it mask should cover your mouth and nose both, and there should be no gaps and there should be no leakage from sides. That you should make sure while putting a mask, and you should avoid touching mask's front side. While removing also you should touch from behind and you should remove it properly and you should discard it properly. After discarding the mask also, again you need to wash your hands with alcohol based hand rub or soap and water. If you are using alcohol based hand rub, another thing you need to practice is you should keep it away from children, because it is poisonous. Some children, they may drink, it will cause harmful effects on them. While using alcohol based hand rubs, you should not touch your eyes and nose, because it can cause some irritation to your eyes and nose. So all these precautions, these are very simple precautions. By practicing these precautions, we can avoid a spread of COVID-19 infection. Thank you.